advertise depending on what you're looking for. We can do it down to zip code if you want to. Okay. Then we got the AskHomey.com, which is the online platform. Like I said, the homeowner contacts you. Only you get that lead. No other contractor gets that lead. So that's nice for you and the homeowner. And you're not chasing them. We also have other options on digital. So we have email campaigns. Our email list, people have opted into. They've agreed to get our emails. So it's a better curated list. It's not just a generic